Happy New Year's Eve, everyone. In honor of 2022, we're going to talk about 3 fintech stocks that I think could bounce back in 2022, so stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the TipRanks YouTube channel. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Happy New Year's Eve. I hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Speaking of New Year's Eve, today is your last day to take advantage of the 22% off deal for TipRanks. Take advantage of that down in the description. But without further ado, let's jump right into the 3 fintech stocks that I think could bounce back in 2022. And the first company we're going to talk about is PayPal. Ticker symbol PYPL is doing some fantastic things, but their evaluation has been essentially slashed in half. So let's talk about PayPal. Let's see what the analysts have to say about PayPal right now. During normal trading hours today, trading down about 1%, but the analysts give this a strong buy based on 32 analyst ratings with an average upside of 42.5%. Now, PayPal is an absolute juggernaut in the fintech space, but they are seeing increased competition. One section of their business, however, that is doing tremendously well right now, growing by 400% year over year this Black Friday period, is their buy now, pay later service. With increased competition comes margin concerns and growth concerns as well. So that's something to pay attention to with PayPal, is their year over year growth as they announce earnings. So pay attention to that in the earnings to come. But again, PayPal is a strong buy based on 32 analyst ratings with an average upside of 42.5% over the next 12 months, and that would be beating the S&P, which it looks like is going to close up about 27% year over year. All right, second company on the list that I want to talk about is SoFi Technologies. Ticker symbol SOFI has a little more upside than PayPal based on what the analysts have to say. 51.37% upside based on 8 analyst ratings, giving SoFi a strong buy as well, up about 0.5% during normal trading today. Now, SoFi is a competitor to PayPal, but they do different things. They do lending as well. PayPal does not have that side of the business. Now, one thing that SoFi is working on is decentralized finance, and we'll talk about the next company here in a second as well. That company is also working on decentralized finance, trying to take a bite out of the big banks here. So SoFi, again, is a strong buy based on 8 analyst ratings with an average upside of just over 51%. Now, let me know what you guys think before I tell you the last company on this list, fintech companies, okay, that I think will bounce back in 2022. Let me know what you think the third company is. But without further ado, the third company is Block, or Square, as you guys know it, but it is officially changed to Block. Jack Dorsey left Twitter and said, look, I'm focusing on blocks. I'm doing the blockchain. So he changed Square's name to Block. And Square essentially is a massive competitor to PayPal, doing some fantastic things, but doing a increased focus on the blockchain, Cash App, selling cryptocurrencies, creating decentralized finance, and you know, lots of crazy things in the blockchain that I won't even pretend to understand. But tremendous upside here, giving Block a moderate buy based on 22 analyst ratings with an average upside of 75.26% over the next 12 months. Okay, so which one of these stocks is your favorite going into 2022? Is it PayPal? Is it SoFi? Or is it Square or Block, however you want to call it? It's the ticker symbol's SQ. That's not changing. But the name of the company is Block, similar to what Facebook did with Meta, you know, trying to make themselves relevant with a big name change. But it's working, I think, for both of those companies. So what do you guys think? Again, who's your favorite? PayPal, SoFi, or Block? Please let me know down in the comments. Again, Happy New Year. I hope you guys are all doing great. Have some fun plans today. I know we do as a family. It'll be fun. So have a fantastic weekend. As always, if you found any value in this video at all or learned something new, let me know by hitting that like button and that subscribe button down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.